finally know the reason why, yeah.
Room tour time. I see that the Encore Hotel, when you first walk in, there's a little mini snack bar and the fridge in the bottom. And then on the study desk, there's an Alexa where you can control all the curtains and lights in your room. And here's the view of the strip. It looks better in the day, so I'll show you guys later. And there's 2 queen-size beds and a living area with the L section couch and a full-size mirror. I love the decor. Everything's super fancy, gold and red. And here's the bathroom. There's a shower in the tub and a his and her size with a really big mirror and a TV. And the toilet's on the side, and they provide 2 robes. And look at the toiletries that the Encore provides. Usual hotels only give you soap and lotion, but they have a bunch of other things, so that's really nice.
Finally in Vegas, I just finished showering, and look at the Sanrio nightgown. We got to Vegas so late because our plane was delayed, and it's already like 3 a.m. and I just finished showering. And we're supposed to wake up at like 7 tomorrow, and then we have a full day of activities ahead of us. So yeah, I'm gonna go sleep now, and I'll vlog what I do tomorrow. Good night. We're gonna head out to the Las Vegas sign soon, and here's my outfit. The top from Forever 21, skirt from Pakistan, and we're gonna wear these high top Converse.
He is getting up there, Nick. How long? He moves pretty good.
After visiting the Las Vegas sign and the aquarium, we're finally ready to start exploring the strip, so our first stop was to the Luxor. So after visiting Luxor, we went to New York, New York. Even though we live in New York, we still want to visit. And here is a video of me vlogging and taking pictures of everything, and I wonder why my storage is always full. Then we went to the Coca-Cola store. I was really excited because I'm a huge Coke fan. And here you can pick either 8 or 16 flavors of Coke from other countries to try. So we went with the 16, and it was definitely really fun to try Cokes from different countries. And then after that, we went to the Bellagio and the Caesar's Palace for some quick shopping and just walking around looking at fun things in there.
back home.